We're back. And it's Frank. Frankie G.
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up?
It's Tony.
What's up?
You bought a new car.
I did.
And you already broke it, didn't you?
Yep.
Fuck's sake. Alright. What'd you break? Talk us through it. What do you reckon you broke?
Oh, no idea. It's just,
all of it?
It's just all of it, yeah. It's just dumped in the water.
Fair. What do you reckon, Frank? You reckon she's dead?
Nah.
And a quick look-see?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I reckon
look-see.
I could break it better.
So Tony lost all his coolant, water, I don't know. Some sort of fluid mix that was in there that, from 2 days ago when we bought it. But yeah, so Tony bought an Integra. As you know, if you've seen this channel before, you know we love Integras and scrapping them. So like Tony figured he'd join the gang and just, you know, buy one and scrap it anyway. Just kidding, Tony's actually gonna drive this. Rip. Morning. Evelyn has work, sucked in Evelyn. Yeah, nice. Rip. All of the fluids.
Tasty seals.
Tasty silicon. Mmm, RTV the world. We're gonna go drop Evelyn at work and then we're gonna break more cars. Oh yeah, I'll do it. See if I can do it left-handed, one-handed on film. Pull your arm back, Evelyn. Ah.
Thanks.
That was track day yesterday. Passengers, boys. We don't condone littering, we'll clean up later.
But look, it's got sick angry eyes.
Those eyes are not angry, they're sad. Sad and disappointed, my friend. Have you ever owned a car that you haven't broken in the first 2 days?
Style it. Yeah, style it. Love my style it.
Debatable, very debatable.
Let's see if I can break it in 2 days I use it. Oh.
Yeah, don't let Frank drive it, he breaks everything. Alright, we're gonna go drop Evelyn at work, just run around and then
We'll be back.
mess with this. God damn it. Stop making me do things.
Nah, never. You love it.
It also feels really wrong to be repairing an Integra, by the way. So used to fucking destroying that. Rip you. Don't make me pull you out and put you in a Civic, because I will. So, we just picked up Evelyn's car, because it needed all the tyres done. So, we got all that done. Now we're going to head home, have a quick look at the Integra, sort out some other things on this Liberty. And yeah, maybe even look at Tony's Starlet. Alright, so we're back at Tony's. The Integra's all jacked up. We're gonna figure out why the hell this thing's leaking. Taking the bumper off, because we're gonna clean the headlights. The boys are just undoing some zip ties or something, you know, standard Honda things. You reckon it'll come off?
1 second.
Frankie G's cutting zip ties. I'll just make sure it doesn't get hit in the head with the bumper. Oh,
Professional zip.
she's free, boys.
Oh, look at this shitty angry eye. It's not even, you know.
Yeah, she's naked now, boys. We're just gonna dump this over here for now. Good place to leave it. Oh look, modified. We've taken the angry eye crap tape off. See you, boys.
Nice.
Tony's got some cleaning to do.
Headlights are broken.
But before that, we gotta
Yeah.
figure out why it's leaking. But in the meantime, Sean's got a super cool dog. Hi, Holly. Oh, look at her go. She's so cute. Love doggos. Let's give her a pat. You can give her an internet pat. Internet, here we go. Hello. Hey, Holly. Hello. Anyway. Now we've got to figure out why this bad boy is leaking. How much fun?
You can tell I haven't worked on cars. I'm smiling.
No, you're fine. So where do you think it's leaking from?
It was leaking from behind the sump.
Hope not. Hopefully it's just like a radiator hose or something, or like a heater core hose. I mean, because that would cheer me up. I can live with that. If it's a head, I will probably cry, but that's okay. Was it leaking? Did you start it to test it or what?
What? Nah, didn't even need to start it. Just open up the radiator cap, let all the pressure out and it.
Sick. Let's lay on the floor and probably get wet.
No, the bucket should be under there. It's empty.
Nah, stop there, put the lid back on it. One.
Yeah.
Here you go. Little torch.
Nice boy.
Delicious. Genuine 170,000.
Oh, back there.
If you'd believe it.
Whoa, here we go.
Yeah, there it is.
Alright, so is the car turned unlocked? Get the keys.
Yeah, car's unlocked.
Just spin the wheel so we get a bit more access. Spin it towards the house.
Got the lid back on.
No, not for that. Oh, so we've got a CV that's absolutely shredded as well. CV boot.
I need to go get the keys.
I can see silicon.
Yeah, no, there's silicon.
There's lots. It's leaking now too.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is definitely silicon. Whoa, what the I don't understand what this silicon does. I really don't. If you use silicon cars like that, just take up crochet or something. Because that's some garbage. What the hell?
Yeah, can you see the silicon?
Dude, what the
Yeah. We saw that last night.
What the hell?
I've never seen silicon.
Whoa!
Oh, sorry.
No, you're right.
Bad enough?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely enough.
Do you think that's where the leak is?
It's definitely around here. I can see it like dripping up here.
Yeah. They've probably done the head. This is what they probably meant by doing the head.
Oh, there's a hose there. There's a hose underneath that.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it could be the back of the water pump, potentially, but... There'll be a water pump in there, so... Not bad.
Under 2 hours.
I'm putting it back together in 9.
Head and everything.
It was fucking okay.
I think it was boosted, boys. What?
Oh, no.
Crack.
Hole.
Hole in the block.
That's definitely a hole, man.
In the block.
Yeah.
That's been siliconed up.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You know what that means. VTEC.
Oh, dear.
And it's a real ghetto like brain.
No tag.
We just go back to the kid's house.
So is that silicon in the block?
Just looks like a big hole. Kind of hard to see, but like, definitely a hole, man.
That's right, I still reached 6 grand last night at
I mean, it could just be a breather hole.
Coolant naturally air cooled from breather hole at back of block.
Yeah.
Can't even make a choice, really. We buying a new motor, you reckon?
I don't know.
Are you really gonna punish me with that? All right, fair.
I mean,
I think
what are the options?
well,
New motor or new block?
to assess it, I gotta pull it all apart. So like, I really need to put it over there where it's not an issue. It's not in the way.
Yeah.
And then we can get everything in and out.
Yeah.
And still use this. Otherwise, we're gonna have the whole carport blocked up.
Mm. For a while.
Yeah, I mean, if that motor at Mount Compass is any good,
Mm.
like, we could get 2 for 1. If we can get that to run,
Yeah.
we can make that work. So we
Mm.
can put that in here. But we'd have to figure that out. Definitely looks like a hole in the block, dude. Like 100%. Like,
Bloody Touge eye.
we're gonna put the car down. We're gonna rearrange all of this so we can do more things, and we will then update you as what the hell we're actually gonna do, because we're gonna figure that out too.